My country people, una welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to all of una. Nollywood actress wey dem dey call Mercy Aigbe, she don come out too. She don switch religion. So she make the announcement today. Yes, so she even show us some videos where we say she dey pray with her snatched husband and other things. Una remember say Mercy Aigbe na marry that man wey dem dey call Kazeem Adeoti. Yes, and the man real wife, that one name na Asiwaju Contour. That one no dey stay for Nigeria, that one dey stay abroad. So Mercy Aigbe marry the man for Nigeria for here as second wife to the man. So ever since wey be say the man marry Mercy Aigbe, the man no even dey remember the first wife again. He even forget their 20th wedding anniversary sef wey be this year, earlier this year. The man forget to wish the first wife 20th happy anniversary. That day wey be say be their anniversary, he dey spend am with Mercy sef for Maldives, but na only God knows. So she don come out today now because na only two of them always dey the whole internet dey do lovey lovey. She come out today come make the announcement say she don change her name sef. I go play the video for una, but before I play am, make I read some of her fans reaction. So the first person for here say, please, when did Mercy become Muslim? Another one come say, my dear. The next one say, nothing wey snatch bola no go turn women to. Another one say, among the sect that doesn't have religion, anywhere they find themselves is okay because of their own interests. The last person say, ask Google. Okay, I don't see am. The truth be say, as Mercy don kolobi the man like this, so e go hard for that man to leave her, because that kind person, so she dey do everything possible to make sure say the man stay. And so e dey be when you kolobi something wey no be your own, you go always dey fight to do everything possible to make sure say you keep am. And the first wife dey for abroad, dey live her life, dey go. It's like that one don even forget say she get husband, but who knows? I dey know. Make una watch the video wey be say she dey praise the wey she dey announce her new name, her new Islamic name. Make una watch am.
Inshallah, my new name is Ajia Mina Mercy Adeoti. Mina with the H.
Seeing that this event is a success, how excited are you?
Una don hear am for una sef na. Mercy Igbe she's no longer a Christian. She na Muslim now, so make una see am for una sef. She don make the big announcement. Congratulations to her anyways. Anywhere you dey, you can fit still serve God. So anyone wey be say belle face, na Mercy dey face. So who knows? We will leave her to wetin she have decided though. And the only thing we be say we fit do, we go wish her well and good luck. Una take care. Una bye.